To generate a histogram in Desmos, first you want to enter your data as a list. And remember, to create a list, you use capital letters and set them equal to a bracket, and then enter your data values. Here I have 50 data values. I copy and pasted them in. You can enter them by hand. It doesn't matter. They also don't have to be in order as long as the data values are there. Then go to a new line and literally type the word histogram. Put a parenthesis and then the name of your list. In this case, we used A, and then comma, the bin width. In this case, we're going to use a bin width of 25. And then it's going to automatically generate the histogram, but you can't see it in this case because the viewing window is not in the appropriate place. If I go to the bottom left-hand corner right here, click Zoom Fit, it's going to automatically fit the viewing window to the data display. And this is important that you do this because sometimes the data display isn't even going to show up, and other times it may be distorted, giving you a misleading representation of the data. So for bar heights, you're going to do counts for a frequency histogram and relative if you want a relative frequency histogram. But if you do type relative, remember that's going to do the percents in each bin. So you'll want to click the magnifying glass and it will rescale the axes. And notice that the vertical axis is rescaled now. If I go back to count, it's going to do the counts for each bin. I would have to zoom fit again and notice it rescaled the y-axis here. For bin alignment, you're going to want to pick left. In this case, we want the bins to go in even distribution of multiples of 25. So that's how you do histograms in Desmos.